Hi, I'm Grant, team leader here at Nebula Games, and this is our developer log for July 2018. So where's the project at? Well, this month was split into two halves. The first half of the month was all about getting ready for our midpoint review with our hub coordinators, and the second half of the month was all about working on the feedback from that midpoint review, implementing it into the game as much as possible. To get ready for the midpoint review, the team was working on getting as many of the game's systems completed and playable ready for this review as possible. The second half of the month was all about discussing the feedback from our review and then implementing what we thought could improve the experience of the Clockwork Rogues. On the business side of things, we're nearly ready for Talk Tranzfuser. We've sorted out our merch prep, our business plan, our marketing plan for our game, and we're near enough ready to present it. We just need some dry runs through as the next month goes on.
The main aim for the programmers this month has been getting all of the gameplay systems integrated and usable by players. This meant getting all the user interfaces integrated into the game so that users can actually use what we've built. The three systems that I've focused on have been the ammo replenishment, player upgrades, and the gun generation user interface. So our upgrade system is built around letting players choose their playstyle. If they want to be fast but have a limited damage resistance, they can build for that, or they can be a tank and slower if they want. Following on from the upgrade system, combat is one of the most important aspects of the Clockwork Rogues. To make sure this is as fun as possible, we've developed a procedural gun generation system. Players can randomly generate one of the possible 10,368 weapon variants in the game. These weapons can be one of 4 types with different attachments, bullet types, and even special abilities. Our ammo replenishment system is the other major system that I've been working on this month. This involves one of the players calling Ada Lovelace for help, and her dropping ammo nearby for the players to pick up.
So while Callum was busy working on the user interface systems, I was busy refining the enemy AI, as well as integrating various audio systems to improve the game's overall feel. We realized earlier in development that our boss needed a few more unique selling points, so we decided to introduce a region-based boss interaction system. Essentially, bosses inside the Clockwork Rogues are not static enemies you fight once at the end of the level. Instead, they are constantly trying to interact with the player as they flee through the streets of London. After the midpoint review, I implemented various features our hub coordinator suggested would improve the game's overall feel. These included such things as some slight auto aim and various other features.
Hi, I'm Ryan, and I'm a lead programmer here at Nebula Games. This month, along with bug fixing, enemy animations were implemented into the game. Each enemy has 3 main animations: idle, walk, and attack, and they also have a unique animation, or 2. To polish the game even further, we integrated a particle system to our shooting mechanic to give feedback to the player of when they're shooting. To make combat feel even better, we integrated controller vibrations which are synced with the player shooting.
Hi, I'm Abby, lead artist on the team. This month for me has been all about finalising in-game assets and beginning to texture them. Starting with the biggest and most important assets, I've been hand painting textures to make them look and feel like they belong in a steampunk Victorian London.
Hi, I'm Dan, character artist and animator for the team. One of my main goals this month was to create all the enemies for the game. This entire process ranged from creating the models all the way up to skinning, rigging and animating them. This month was our midpoint review, and one of the main things that came up was that there was a lot of downtime in our game. We wanted to base it as much around Whitechapel as we could in London, but by doing this to scale, we found out that the map was too large, so a large task for me this month was to scale the map down as much as possible and condense as much action into a smaller area as I could.
And that's it. Thanks for watching. We hope you like where the project's currently at, and we're hoping to deliver even more in the future.